Well, the first thing you know when you arrive in the Amazon is the story of the pink dolphin, right? It is said that its oil is attractive to the person who wants to conquer it. This contains a lot of natural pheromones from the dive itself. And you empty 4 drops and that woman will be madly in love with you. They are beliefs, and there is no scientific evidence that works. You have to kill the woman, get that oil out of her. They are doing bad things. This myth is known by everyone. It is the myth of the pink dolphin that comes out of the water, that turns into a man. Sometimes it is said like a gringo, and that has artifacts. For example, it has a hat that is a string to hide its spiracle where it breathes. It also has a crab like a watch. It has shoes that are karachamas. So this dolphin comes out of the water and will seduce a girl in the village, and then she will get pregnant. We find them with the pusanga and red scarf. Urban shamans have profited from the popular belief in this tale, convincing people that their perfumes, infused with pink river dolphin oil, give them the power to control others. Pusangas are sold both online and in markets, where the illegal wildlife trade operates largely under the radar. I wanted to dive deep into this complex web of folklore, cultural beliefs, and their deadly effects on the endangered river dolphin population. So I made my way to the Amazon to find out more. Pink river dolphins, one of the most fascinating and enigmatic creatures of the Amazon basin, already face extinction due to habitat loss and bycatch. In the past 50 years, the dolphin population has decreased by more than half. Fewer than 10,000 remain in the wild. Manuel notes that the endangered status of the pink river dolphin could also make these love perfumes more appealing to buyers, further exacerbating their population decline. However, not all these pusangas actually contain pink river dolphin oil, as some shamans and sellers have been caught deceiving the public. Regardless, this belief continues to drive the capture of pink dolphins. To look for the perfume, I headed to Belen Market, notorious for being a center of illegal wildlife trade. While most perfumes I found were plant-based, those containing pink river dolphin oil were hidden, accessible only to those who knew to ask. Manuel told me they don't confiscate pusangas. But one thing is clear, it is illegal to sell pusangas. But that doesn't stop pusangas being sold. The pink river dolphin is deeply embedded in Amazonian myth and folklore. So why does this belief persist? To get some answers, I met Leonardo, an indigenous Kukama reporter. In riverine communities, children of unknown fathers are often believed to be children of the dolphin. This colonial-era tale has troubling ties to gender-based exploitation in local communities. Some urban shamans have exploited this tale to manipulate people emotionally and spiritually for profit. But the communities who have lived by the river for centuries have a much different relationship to dolphins. Lander has been a healer since the age of 13. In the Kukama culture, pink river dolphins are seen as enchanted beings deserving of deep respect. I asked him what he thinks of love perfumes, the desire for connection and a sense of belonging. On the ground, people like Cedric Gilman are protecting pink river dolphins through a blend of environmental and cultural education. When you get closer to the jungle, they ask for your permission. They look at you. They do their ritual. I'm going to smoke, I'm going to blow on you, I'm going to crown you, and you're going to thank the river, all the mountains, all the jungle, because that's what we have here. I'm expensive. You're going to sleep and you're going to dream. You're going to have a very nice dream. You're going to see it,